Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Digimon story, time stranger game, crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen or white screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and account, other, sign out. Wait for few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 console and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router to reset your internet connection and then launch the game and check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and check which one works for you. Fix 5. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Digimon Story Time Stranger game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts. Scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Digimon Story Time Stranger game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Please make a note that you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete, choose Digimon Story Time Stranger game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Now launch the game and check. Fix 10. This is the last solution. Reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on a PS5, then you can reinstall or transfer the Digimon Story Time Stranger game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if this help or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you will be able to fix the Digimon Story Time Stranger game crashing a setup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, black screen or white screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.